Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can hide all the desktop icons from Windows 10 or Windows 11. So the first method is to just select it, right click on it and click on delete, and one of these things will be gone. But if you have a lot of icons, doing this for all of the icons manually is quite a hectic task. So what you can do is just right click here, click on view, and here in the bottom you will see show desktop icons. Just click on this and all of the desktop icons will be gone, as you can see now. Now if you want to bring the desktop icons back, just right click again, click on view and click on show desktop icons. So as you can see, all the desktop icons are shown again.